You ever have something in concert photography that just leaves you speechless and confused? I'm going to tell you a story about something that happened to me that I was just like, wow, really? Anyway, hold tight. I'm Robert Maxfield. I'm a concert and music photographer in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, and I've been doing this since the late 1970s. And welcome to Mac's Concert Photography, where we talk everything concert photography related, and hopefully we'll find something that gets you all hooked. And here it comes. A couple years ago, I approached an artist because I wanted to take photographs of him for my portfolio. We'd had some photographs that we'd done before in the past, and he sent me a letter and said, yeah, I could take the photographs, and he said, I want you to take the photographs from this position, this angle, I want this. And he gave me a whole long laundry list of stuff that I'm going, okay, well, all right. So I took the photographs of him, and he uses a lot of heavy backlighting, and he's difficult to shoot. Well, recently, for the first time, I got to shoot him in daylight not too long ago. And in the previous two times I've photographed him, he's the headliner, but it was actually inside or outside, and it was dark outside. But this is the first time I got to shoot him in daylight. And normally my policy is to take photographs of everyone in the band if I can, and then give them the photographs of everybody. So I thought, well, okay, while he was on one side, I would real quickly go through the media area and take pictures of all the band members and get them while I was waiting. And I sat there and I saw this fantastic picture, and I turned around and I shot him, and I didn't think anything of it, but one of his staff members on stage was motioning me back, and he says, man, don't do that. And I said, yeah, I know, I've got a letter from him telling me this. I was just getting all the other people, so I'm aware of the situation, how he likes to be shot. And he says, good, because I get in trouble if somebody takes a photograph from this angle. I'm going, why in the world would that happen? And then I got home and I started taking a look at the photographs, and one of these photographs just stuck out like a sore thumb, and I was like, man, that's a great picture. Then I got looking real hard at it, and I said, there's something unusual about this photograph. He looks like exactly like an ex-president of the United States in the photograph. I was dumbfounded, but the photograph was beautiful. So what I did is I wrote his camp and said, hey, look, I took this great photograph, but I know exactly why he has this particular issue, and it's completely understandable, and I won't release this photograph unless you tell me it's okay, and out of respect. And if they tell me it's okay, I'll do it, but until then, I'm keeping his wishes intact. I'm not going to release that photograph, even though it's really cool. I'm not going to do it because he looks like the President of the United States, and I'm going, wow, I could not believe it. So anyway, this is our 200th video. We want to thank you for watching. If you're returning, great. If you're new to the channel, man, if you see anything you like or have any interest, please like and subscribe. It helps us to get this thing done. We enjoy bringing these videos to you. And until next week, thanks a lot. We'll see you later. Bye.